Hey, guess what, man? I got two of my good-looking girls that go surfing every time. Okay, so who's the best and bestest chef?
Man in a pan!
Big suckable man in a pan. Hey, guess what, man? Hey, guess what? Here's KTA, greatest beef cutter. But who's the best chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, give me back a
Welcome to the man and the pan. When I grew up, we didn't waste food. Wasting food is the worst thing, and maybe that's why I'm so big. So I made sure I ate everything on the plate. And till today, I still don't want to waste food. So whenever I have leftovers, I always make makeovers. For instance, this beautiful Manapua the other day, and this beautiful pork hash. It was in my refrigerator for a couple of days now. So I'm gonna not just put it in the microwave, because I just hate when you microwave, because the crust like that gets really hard. I just hate when you put them in the toaster oven, because the thing doesn't heat up really well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I do is I fry it. Okay? Put it on the stove, put in some olive oil, just about this much, right? See it like that? Okay? Make sure the pan gets hot. And this pork hash, what I do with the pork hash, I cut it right in half. Just like this, okay? Okay, so we got pork hash, and I got the Manapua. Make sure you take out the paper now, and I smash it down just a little bit, just like this, to make it kind of flat. You can buy those frozen Manapua and whatever you want, and you can do the same thing. Okay, just when it's about hot, on the pork hash, you put the cut side down first, okay? Just like this. And the Manapua, you smash it down, right? Put them the top side down first, okay? Just like that, okay? And you let it go and you fry it out. This is what I call, not leftovers, but I call it makeovers. Because, I'm making something kind of different from what it was, okay? Turn it around. Okay, I think the pork hash is just about done on one side, so I turn it over and fry the other side. Just like this, and the Manapua, fry the other side. Okay, I think it's just about done. The pork hash. Oh, bugger, oh no, look at that, right? I get the nice Manapua. I'm gonna cut them, okay? So there you go. The burger look good. Let's see how it tastes. Now you gotta remember, this is makeover time, not leftovers. Okay, so now it's a crispy pork hash. Oh. It tastes different from yesterday, but it tastes just as good or better. And here's the fried Manapua. Oh, now it's so good. Oh, yeah, crunch. Oh, it's so honor. So until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.